Thank you, Patricia, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I am, as Neil said, standing in for Kieran Murray tonight, our CEO, who has a respiratory infection and sends his sincere apologies to the Irish American Foundation, and is sorry he can't make it. He would have certainly liked to have been here, but I am his stand-in. As you can tell, my accent is not Irish. I am Australian, and although, as Patricia alluded to, as our rugby team knocked England out of the World Cup on Saturday, I feel like I'm an honorary Irishman tonight. I also want to thank the Irish American Foundation for such a fantastic venue. I've not been to the New York Yacht Club before, but I was able to see some of the models and some of the records of the America's Cup sailed over the last few years, well, the last number of years, I guess, and very proud to be an Australian when I remember back to 1983 when Australia won the America's Cup after, I think, a period of 125 years with the New York Yacht Club. So for me, as an Australian, to be standing here in the New York Yacht Club talking to a group of Irish Americans is a great thrill. So thank you for that. I am, as I said, we are delighted to be here tonight to honour some of Irish America's finest for your achievements in healthcare and the life sciences. ICON is very proud to be associated with this group of people and who share our passion for innovation and scientific advance, making a real difference, I think, in people's lives, not just in the US, but around the world as well. Tonight's honorees are playing very important roles in the diagnosis, treatment and prevention of disease such as cancer, Alzheimer's, autism, heart disease, schizophrenia. And we're also honouring those who are working to make healthcare more affordable to patients and whose mission in life is to care for some of the more vulnerable patients and more vulnerable people in our society, such as the homeless and those suffering from substance abuse. And finally, we're honouring those in academia as well, I think very importantly, who are really at the cutting edge of research and who are inspiring, I think, the next generation of healthcare leaders. 2015 is a very special year for ICON. It's our 25th anniversary and 25th year in business. We were founded in Dublin in 1990, and we're still headquartered in Dublin. We're a very proud Irish organisation, although our tenure and our reach spreads now over 40 countries and over 11,000 people globally. So 25 years ago, we were 5 people. Ronan Lamb and John Climack set us up in Dublin, and we're now over 11,000. So we're very proud of that, very proud of our Irish roots, and very pleased to grow and to develop with the Irish America Foundation. In that time, we've witnessed many changes within the healthcare industry, and the pace of change, I think, as we all know, is set to accelerate there. Continued advancements in personalised medicine, ever-expanding access to information from news sources, more informed and more empowered patients, are just some of the trends that will have a profound effect, I think, on the way we manage healthcare across the world. So we at ICON are very excited about the future and the opportunities that the developments like these present to us and, of course, to you as well. And looking around the room tonight, I know that Irish Americans will continue to be a major driving force in effecting positive change within the healthcare and health sciences industry. And ICON, as an organisation, is very much behind that. So with all that said, I won't detain any of you any longer, and we can get back to the people who we're really here to honour tonight, and that's the honorees. So thank you again.